Oh, good morning. Just enjoying some tea while I'm getting ready to make my shake. I just finished my back workout and I like to help my body recover with a protein shake. So my shakes have been pretty simple lately. Well, maybe to me, I don't know, to other people they might be difficult, but I like to start with some frozen fruit, strawberries, bananas, and kiwi, in replacement of ice cubes. You know, so there's less water in the shake. That's the bottom of the bag. I need to get a new bag. Then I like to put a raw egg in for some added protein. They're great. Some people don't like raw eggs. The best put eggs in their shakes. Add some spinach, some fresh spinach, right into there. Spinach is full of vitamins and minerals. It does so much stuff. Then, I don't drink a lot of milk, but I like to put the milk in my protein shakes just to help it get more thick, like I'm actually drinking a shake. You could use other milks like almond milk, soy milk, but I've just gone with regular cow milk. I use some whey protein. Added protein, so my protein shake will have about, so this is 30 grams protein. The egg is sort of like 9 grams of protein. Then the milk, I think it's like 7 grams, so 9, 7, so 16, and then 30, so 46. My muscles will love me then. Anyways, let's blend this up. Oh yeah. Oh. It's so good. I hope you have a good shake too. A good workout. Have a great day. Stay healthy.